Okay guys, so we're back. My sister is gonna do my nails. Let's see. As you can see, she has like all these things. And then I noticed that with the gel nail, when she does it, they last longer than the regular nails. Look at that. We're gonna start off with oh, she has these things too. Look at that. They're pretty cute. They have little hearts, they have like little, I think they're like stars and stuff like that, just different shapes. And then she also has these. Oh my goodness, I love these colors. She has so many. Look at that. Yeah, so what color should I pick? They're also pretty. Let me see, this is kind of cool. See, it looks like this colored gel polish. The long quality soak off gel, and then she has this is the base and top coat.
I think this is from Dollar Tree.
Oh, look at that! I never seen these there. Okay, baby, these are really cute. Look at that. So she has this, and then she also has these. Did you also get these from the dollar store?
Yeah, I did.
Right
So,
a good amount. Okay, I like this one. Colors.
that one. First thing.
You okay? Oh my goodness. This is what happens
Break myself.
in our day-to-day. Sometimes we tend to be a little, whoa,
Hello,
clumsy.
young lady.
I almost fell.
Are you
Good thing she didn't
interested
see
in getting
that.
your nails done today?
Because if she would have seen that, she would have laughed at me. So she's just taking off my nail polish.
I actually gotta do my own nails too.
Sorry for noise. It's
The kids are playing.
kids are playing. Oh my god,
She
this
has
is
to
gonna
make her do
burn.
it. You gotta let it burn. How did Usher say?
I heard that song in a while. It's gonna hurt for me to tell you. Oh no, wait, is that
But
the
it's
one?
coming from the heart.
Oh.
Been a long time.
Alright, so we're gonna start with my left hand. And she's gonna shape them.
I know it's hot, right?
This one is kind of violet because I think I had some that were like uneven. I noticed that when you do yours, they last longer than the regular nail polish.
Yeah, it does.
So I'm gonna try that out and see how that works for me. Because usually I do the regular nail polish and it just comes off like 3 days, 2 days after.
The chips, right?
Yeah, it does.
I use the filer and just kind of like file.
Techniques that work for you.
Yeah, pretty much works for me. So
So you guys can give it a try and just let us know if these techniques that she's showing today also works for you guys. Comment down below.
and I'm gonna do this to all the nails. Do you want to just do that? Let's just start with this hand, and then after this, I like to just wipe off. What do you call it? Wipe off.
The residue of that's
Yeah.
left behind
What she
after
said.
filing.
So first step, we're gonna take these out. This is the base coat and top coat.
Hold on, show me. Okay, that's the base coat, and then this is the top coat. Okay.
And we're gonna go ahead and open this. Okay. So now that it's open, I'm just gonna put like a thin layer, one layer on each nail.
It's like a clear
So
coat.
this is, yeah.
Is that the base?
Base
Yeah,
coat, the
that's
base
the
coat.
base coat, you guys.
No, it's kind of not good. And then you're gonna go ahead and let this dry right under the light. So just stick it in there and like you'll see the blue light coming. You'll see all the way in. So I set this thing for 60 seconds. I just dry everything for 60 seconds under this light. All right, so you have 12 seconds left.
All right, so we came in. It was getting too hot out.
So getting like,
She's making purple. Yeah, she's making like violet. Cup, 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 cup.
way too much. No polish on that.
That's mine.
And I'm gonna have to clean that up. Now let's get that thumb. Don't worry, that's just the first layer and it looks kind of funky. So it started off like really watery, now it's getting really thick actually. But Daddy, angle. I have like Elo there. Yeah, you can do your thing. Okay, so let's open it. Like I said, first time I done it, so I think I'm gonna.
I guess the pink one with the little diamonds.
This
Those
one?
will- yeah, that. Yeah, that one.
Okay.
The flowers, but I think they're
Whichever
flowers.
one you want.
Yeah, those are pretty.
Doesn't matter.
They're also pretty.
So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add just a little bit of the top coat. Trying it. Like right there. I feel like I need. Oh, there it goes. Ah, I made it to work. Look at. And it makes it really shiny. I like how shiny. I like my nails shiny.
So this is the part that makes your nails shiny. Got it.
So let's try to put it like right in the middle. Like, get in there. Oh, look at that.
Ooh.
So pretty. Look at that. That's beautiful. What do you think?
You don't like it?
Or didn't we say we're gonna do like the ring finger differently?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, we can take that off though and just
Oh, yeah. And just put that.
lift it up. And then like I
It's
want
not
it.
gonna mess up.
Well, let's find out. No, it didn't. Okay.
Yay.
I can just wiggle it around. Okay. And I'm using my left hand.
Oh, it's cute. Put it back in.
And I'll be looking.
Okay, so now we're done.
Okay, so now I think that I'm gonna put like a top coat, another top coat on this,
Okay.
just so that, you know, I don't know if it's gonna fall.
Just to secure the crystals
Yeah.
in place.
So like when you're cleaning your nails, just kind of seal the tip of the nail so that it doesn't chip as easily. I find that that works for me. like think to this way. And that's the last time, and then we're done.
Look at that. My nails done. I like them a lot, and I think I am gonna end up sticking to gel nails just because look guys, isn't that pretty? We're gonna post some pictures
Like the before and after, right?
if you guys like the video. If you guys have any questions, let us know, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. We love you guys.